In today's video, I'm going to show you how to accept Apple Pay with Odoo Invoicing step by step using the official Odoo interface. This is perfect if you want to let your customers pay invoices faster and more securely using Apple Pay directly from Odoo. We'll go through the exact clicks inside Odoo, and by the end of this video, you'll have Apple Pay enabled and ready to use. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo and business software guides. All right, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Odoo database. In this example, I'm using demo6.odoo.com, but the steps are exactly the same for your own Odoo instance. Once you're logged in, start from the Odoo home screen where you can see all your installed apps. From here, locate and open the Accounting app because payment providers are managed from within Accounting. After opening the Accounting app, look at the top menu and click on Configuration. This section controls all the financial and payment-related settings for your Odoo database. Inside the Configuration menu, click on Payment Providers. This is where Odoo manages all online payment methods such as credit cards, digital wallets, and services like Apple Pay. On the Payment Providers page, you'll see a list of available providers. Scroll through the list until you find the Apple Pay provider. If Apple Pay is not installed yet, you'll see an Install button next to it. Go ahead and click Install. Odoo will now install the Apple Pay Payment Provider module, which only takes a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, you'll see that the Install button changes to Activate. Click on Activate to make the Apple Pay provider available for configuration. After activation, click on the Apple Pay provider to open its settings. Inside the provider page, you'll first want to make sure the status is set to Enabled. If it's not enabled, toggle it on so Odoo can start offering Apple Pay as a payment option. Next, click on the Configuration section inside the Apple Pay provider. This is where you'll connect Odoo with your Apple Pay and payment processor details. Depending on your setup, you may need to enter credentials provided by your payment acquirer, such as merchant IDs or keys. Make sure you carefully follow Apple and your payment provider's requirements so payments are processed securely. Once everything is configured, save your changes. At this point, Apple Pay is now connected to Odoo Invoicing. When you send invoices to customers, they'll be able to pay online using Apple Pay, as long as online payments are enabled on the invoice and your customer's device supports Apple Pay. This can significantly improve your payment speed and customer experience, especially for mobile users. And that's it. You've successfully set up Apple Pay with Odoo Invoicing. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.